Source table is having, okay, number of columns are 3 and the column names are X, Y, Z. Column data types are integer, varchar, and date. Okay, and having this data. Having the data. So what do you want to do when you want to copy data from the source to destination? Okay, now. So same structure should be there here. That means how many number of columns are there? Same number of columns should be there. So here how many number of columns? 3 columns. Here also 3 columns. Then only copy. Otherwise not copied. Understand now? So we can go to copy data from one to another table. The first condition is what now? Both the table structures must be same. A structure means what, sir? Means that your columns, in which order, in which way your main table is going to be created on the same order, same way. I can copy the data from one to another table. Understand now? So structure will be same. And the number of columns same, and whatever the data types here, there same data type also. Integer, varchar, data. Data types also must be matched. Then only we can. Otherwise, we cannot copy. Okay, now. So what I'm saying here. So there is a basic rules to copy the data. The basic rules. What is the rule here? First one. Okay. Both the tables are having same number of columns and same number of columns and same data types of columns. Okay, so then only you can go to copy. If anything is mismatching, then you cannot copy the data. Okay, and now come out and see here. This is source table having some columns and data, and this is destination. But in destination, what you can see, so structure is same. Can you see the structure of destination table? New underscore EMP number 2. Sorry, DEPT2 na? DEPT2. So it was saying no rows, but the structure you can see the structure. Structure will be same. So here how many columns are there? 3 columns. Here also 3 columns. Data types are same as is matching. When number of columns and data types of columns, if both are same and similar or matching, then only data can be transferred. Okay, now if anything is not matching or mismatching, then data cannot be copied. So now what happened in these 2 tables? The 2 tables are having same. Okay, now both are same or not? Yes, both are same. So now it was same structure, both tables. Then I'm writing insert into my destination table, new underscore DEPT number 2, and my source table. Okay, DEPT. Now 4 rows are selected, and now you can see your table. That's new underscore DEPT2. Then see, data is copied down. Come on, guys, data is copied. Okay, right. So now example of this is what? And here I will take a, okay, for your understanding. Select a star from DEPT. It's called as what now? Source table. And select a star from new underscore DEPT2. And this is called as a destination table. And after that, you can go for this. Okay, now? Right. So here, what we did here, so we copied. First, we need to copy one table to another table. First, one table we can create with the empty. So here is there na create one new table, copy of columns but not rows. First, you have to create this. If you create this, what happened? One empty table is created, and into this empty table, now later we are going to be copy. Understand now? First, create one empty table, and after that you can copy your data into empty table. So that is happen. Okay, right. And now these are the general informations, okay, about your database operations, how to create one new table from existing table, and how to copy the data from one table to another table. So with this knowledge, now we will work on, okay, which command means that we are working on insert command, insert all command. So insert all command, okay, this command purpose is what? How to use means. Actually, when you go for your insert command is also we discuss. Insert command is purpose is what now? Inserting a single new row, new row into a table. So insert command through, if you want to identify this command through, I can insert only a single new row into a single table. Otherwise, a new row into a single table. In one table data operations, we are using, okay, insert command. So insert command through whatever we are inserting, that should be, and the data should we are inserting into one single table. Understand now? Only one single table. If you want to insert, you can. But insert all command purpose is what now? Insert all command purpose is what now? Insert all command, inserting, okay, rows, that means new rows into, or here new rows I can't say because of reason your existing table. Inserting rows into multiple tables, but the rows are, but the data are rows, okay, but the data or rows must be an existing table only, an existing table only. Okay, now so whatever you want to insert, whatever we insert here, okay, now whatever we are inserting rows into multiple tables, that is the purpose of this insert all. But your inserting rows must be an existing table only. Existing table means, yes, old table only. Existing table is nothing but old table. Okay, now so this is the purpose of insert all command. And what is the syntax for this? The syntax of this here, insert all into table name sending values. Your table name, for example, I want to give 1, sending values. Okay, so the values I'm going to passing here. Okay, so how it is passing? Column 1, column 2, and so on. Later into table number 2 and sending values. column 1, column 2, comma, and so on. So like insert into table number 3, sending values of column 1, comma, column 2, comma, and so on. So like this, okay, your syntax and so on. You can give it and so like this, any number of tables you can. And finally, into, so table name n, sending values of column 1, comma, column 2, comma, and so on. Okay, then after end of the query should write a select a star from old table name. Yes, finally close. So that means whatever the old table I'm giving here, that old table data retrieval and storing into different tables. Okay, now? Now we can see. First, what I am doing here to fulfill this requirement. Step number 1, first I have to create a empty tables. Create a empty tables. So empty tables, how to create? This is one syntax is there. How to create? With copy of columns but not rows. This is called an empty table. Okay, we are not copied data. We are not taking data. We are just creating structure. Okay, right. So copy tables I have to design. On this, okay, carefully observe. So my tab list. Okay, this is my, or these are my tables in my user account database. Okay. Now I'm going to create 3 empty tables. I'm creating. Create table. Okay, table test number 1 as a select a star from DPT where empty means 1 equals to 0. Condition false. Same as 2. Same as table number 3 and 1 equals to 0. So come out and see in your tab list, there are 3 tables we designed, okay, in my tab list. So test 1, test 2, test 3, the 3 tables are created. Understand my point now? So after created empty tables, to these empty tables, now later user is going to be insert. But at a time, these are all tables I want to insert my data. Understand now? So how I'm going to writing? Here I'm writing insert all command. Insert all into test number 1, sending values of columns, DEPT number, DNAME, LOC. Next into test number 2, and I'm sending values of and here also I'm passing my columns DEPT number, DNAME, LOC. Next into test number 3 and sending values of DEPT number, DNAME, and LOC. And after that, you have to use command select a star from DEPT. So now we can see previously these are the 3 empty tables I created. Okay, and 3 empty tables are successfully created. But after created these empty tables means no data. Okay, now no data. So like I can create some empty tables, and after that into this empty table, which table data I'm copied here, which table data I'm filling here, DEPT table data I am filling now. So now we can see 12 rows. Okay, and finally I committed here. Then come back now. Select a start from test number 1. So data successfully copied. Test number 2. Data successfully copied. Test number 3. Data successfully copied. So this is how to filling data into multiple tables from an existing table. Got it now? This is one command. That means which table data do you want to fill in multiple empty tables? So there you can go to use this insert all command. Understand now? Yes, that is what we call here. And this is the command of insert all, and syntax example also I'm taking now. First, I'm creating 3 empty tables. Just a moment. First, create step 1, 3 empty tables create. And after that, step number 2. After that, step number 2. Now insert an existing table and existing table data into new empty tables. Okay. So insert an existing table data into new empty tables. And then we are going to be writing this command. Okay, that's what. So this is your, okay, how to insert an existing table data into multiple empty tables. So first I'm creating empty tables, and after the data will be inserted. Okay, this is insert all command through how to insert data into multiple tables. So you should do, or you should tell us the, okay, where we want to use. So whenever you want to create first empty tables, and after insert all command should be used. So then only possible to data can be moved. Okay, from one table data we are saved into multiple tables. Okay, now this is one. And the next command is called as what? Another command is the new feature merge command. So what is merge command, sir? This merge command we are going to be using, guys, here. The 2 tables match. Okay, the 2 tables data I'm going to match together. But whenever you want to match the 2 tables data, if any matching data will be there, the matching data will not be disturbed. But if any unmatching data will be there, that unmatching data will automatically move into another table. For example, let me see. What is a merge command advantage? Suppose this is my table. Carefully observe. Having some columns X, Y, and Z. Some values here 10, suppose 20, suppose 30, suppose 40. Having some information. Okay, this is table number 1. Same as another table also there. This is table number 2. In this table, suppose you have some columns, A, B, C columns. And in this table, you have here some data 10, 20, and 30. And having here some information. So now in these two tables, okay, can you tell me if when two tables are merged together, these two tables are if merged together, what it was happen? 10-10 matching, 10-10 matching, 20-20 matching, 30-30 matching. So that means what you understand here? So in both the tables, we have some matching data. Okay, in both the tables, we have some matching data. Whatever the matching data is there, matching data will not disturb. Matching data will not disturb. But whatever the unmatching data was there, here unmatching data, this is unmatching row. This unmatching row data automatically merge in your table number 2. So 40 some record. Understand now? So your matching rows or matching data will not be changed. Will not be changed as it is keeping. But what in these two tables, okay, which table data is unmatching? That unmatching data will go to merge into another table. Understand now? Come on, guys. This diagram understand now? Okay. So matching data will not affect, unmatching data only transfer. Okay, matching data will not change, unmatching data only transfer. So merge command, what you say? How it was merging here? To merge both tables data together. Okay. So in this, okay, in this what happened? In this what happened? Matching rows in both the tables. Matching rows in both tables are not change. Not change. But unmatching rows, whatever it was there, unmatching rows, whatever it was there, in both the tables or unmatching rows are a transfer from source table to destination table. From source table to destination table. Understanding now? So now practically, if I'm showing practically, you can understand that. Okay. First syntax observe. What is the syntax for this here? Match the command. Okay. Match into which table? Destination table. Okay. So destination table. I want to use destination table name of your destination table. On destination table, we want to create a alias name. Alias name is nothing but a duplicate name I want to create. So what is alias name? Next I will explain to you. Duplicate alias name or duplicate name. Duplicate name of table. Duplicate name of table. Okay. Then after merge into destination and alias name, and after that using, then what you want to do? Source table name and same as alias name or else we called as a duplicate name of table. Okay, you have to design like this, and after that give a on. Here I want to use a joining condition. You should write a joining condition, because when you want to merge two tables, first the two tables will be joins together. Okay, then later after joining the two tables, when rows are